Thank you, Ross. Mr. Wolf Kilman and GIZ. I'd like to also, again, welcome everybody to this afternoon's session and also thank the presence of GIZ and SPC in this very important event. Our research has shown from tourism in the region that there is a huge potential for us to expand and take advantage of the benefits of tourism, this sector, in the longer term for Pacific Island countries. In saying that, what we've seen is that the emerging challenges that come with this. So we should be prepared that we are able to manage tourism in a sustainable manner so that we can ensure that it maintains that long-term viability. Two of the emerging issues that we've seen are the impacts of climate change and the cost of doing business. We're glad that we've got technical expertise here, which Ross will talk about, and GIZ, on the issue of climate change. And also the cost of doing business, one of the areas that we've also, our researchers found out, is that the cost of energy. So the issue of renewable energy and the technologies that go with that is quite important. That is something that SPTO will be working on in our development program for the Pacific region in the next 3 to 5 years. In doing so, we do not have the technical capacities or capabilities to do that. So what happens is that we join forces with other regional organizations who have this expertise to work with us so that we can implement this program and ensure sustainable development of tourism, because it contributes to all the issues of all the social, environmental issues that's associated with tourism, very important sector. So with that, ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to thank GIZ for this partnership, and we look forward to longer-term collaboration in this end. Thank you very much.